my god, sorry about the background noise. But here is my panda bun. It's been in like, if you watched my video yesterday, I put my panda bun in for a long time. And it's super like a lot, not that much fluffy. So I put it in last night and it sat there for 3 hours and it sat there for overnight. And then I'm back today and it's like 3. So here, look it for yourself. It's 4:44. So we're going to take it and give it a squish. This is going to be a small video, but just gonna take it and give it a squish. So I'm in a different outfit that I was in yesterday. So yeah, I just got back from school. So the background noises was because I'm supposed to be home. Do you know I'm usually home at like 3:40 something, but today I'm here. I was going shopping, so we're going to give my panda bun a big squish. It's a lot more slow rising, I can say that. Just because it is. But I gotta go play with my dog because I play like preschool with him. School kind of. Play with him in my bedroom usually. So yeah. Just gonna give it a squish. Hi! Hi, my little angel. Hi, my little angel. Hi. Oh, yeah, little angel. Max, you're about to poop yourself. Go to the bathroom.
You have to come let him out.
Okay. So, yeah, this is just what it came like. So, came out like. So, thank you guys for watching. Please click like, subscribe, and share. Good night.